In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a layer in AutoCAD. Whether you're working on a large, complex drawing or simply want to simplify your view by turning off some of the layers you don't need right now, learning how to effectively hide layers can be a really valuable skill. So let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process, making sure it's easy for you to understand and apply. To start, you'll want to navigate over to the ribbon at the top of your AutoCAD interface. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and options organized into different tabs for easy access. Now, to begin working with layers, make sure you're on the Home tab. Within this Home tab, look for the Layers section. You'll notice a button labeled Layer Properties. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to managing the various layers involved in your drawing project. Once you click on Layer Properties, a new tab will open up displaying all the layers that are part of your project. Here, you'll see a list of every layer you've created, along with some information about each one, like whether it's on, thawed, or locked. It's a great overview of what you're working with. Now, navigate through this list to find the specific layer you want to hide. For our example today, let's say we want to hide Layer 1. Next to Layer 1, you'll spot a light bulb icon. This icon represents the visibility of the layer. When the bulb is lit up, it means that the layer is visible in your current drawing space. To hide the layer, all you need to do is click on that bulb icon. Once you do, the bulb will turn off, indicating that the layer is now hidden from view. This can be particularly useful for reducing visual clutter in your drawings, helping you focus on the layers that are most relevant to your current task. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also freeze the layer to hide it. Clicking the Freeze option effectively removes the layer from AutoCAD's drawing database. What's the difference, you might ask? Well, freezing a layer isn't just about hiding. It can also improve performance. This is especially noticeable when dealing with complex drawings, because removing unnecessary layers from the database can streamline your workflow and enhance your drawing efficiency. However, remember that while freezing can optimize performance, hiding still keeps the layer within the database, which might help maintain a more complete version of your work for future reference. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to hide layers in AutoCAD. Now you can manage your drawing tasks more effectively and keep your workspace as organized as possible. Give it a try on your next project and see how it helps streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!